Welcome to the Mill Brook Railroad. Today, or tonight I guess, we have a combined WP1 and WP3 train. So the WP1 goes to the wood pellet storage, WP3 goes to the big house. WP2 goes to the little house. We don't need to run one of those right now. So we're losing daylight fast, so off we go. Now the WP trains on the Mill Brook Railroad are wood pellet trains. And why are we hauling wood pellets? Well, that's what we heat our houses with. We've got two houses on the property, the main house and what we call the little house, the former barn. And this is the fuel we use to heat them. When we have a full ton of wood pellets to bring into storage, that's the WP1 train, and that is the bulk of this train here. Now this train puts the little 70 to its absolute limit. I'm full throttle here. Come on, squirrel, let's go. Where's my skate? Gravity is very much in control. There we go. Alright, climb off, please. Oh, somebody attached a chain and didn't tell me.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oops. Oh well. Here we go. I'm gonna run around this.
Kicked it over too much.
You want to throw that turntable switch? And this is where the WP1 and the WP3 split. This single car is WP3, heading to the main house. The rest of the load's going for storage.
Stay.
This again? Yep.
It's not listening. Oh, wait.
It's supposed to be downhill that way.
I thought it was. Yeah, put it on that end of the turntable, then it won't roll back this way.
Yep.
The first loaded car over the turntable.
Okay, now with the WP3 spotted temporarily, it's time to put the WP1 away.
You're good.
Now by this time, the traction motor in the 70 was really unhappy. And apparently, so was the track. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy.
Hey, I didn't do it this time.
No, I did, but can you smell that traction motor?
Yeah, I can, and it is not happy with
It
you.
is very unhappy.
Oh, is that what this smell burnt?
That's what that burnt smell is.
That's what the smell of a very unhappy traction motor smells like.
It smells like burnt wires.
Yeah. That is a rather unfortunate angle.
Don't start singing Debbie Boone.
No, it almost looks like it thought there was a crossover there.
We're pertaining to the CSX today. Light. CSX light.
CSX medium.
CSX hard.
Johnny!
Well, they talk about light and medium, so kind of.
Well, we can't be CSX heavy, so. And, you know, this many pellets.
At least we're close to where we gotta unload.
Yeah. Hey, you want me to go grab the heavy rerailer?
No.
PTC caused this. Or sorry, Precision Scheduled Railroading caused this. It could not have prevented this.
You know, PTC might have.
All right, now that it's empty, I can say this. At least when it did that, it didn't rip any.
Okay.
But I also wasn't expecting you to full send into the siding.
What else have I got to do to get it onto the siding?
Yeah, fair. Oh, hold on, you're still off.
Okay, now that mess is cleaned up. Now it's time to spot the rest of the WP1 for unloading. Alright, now that's all spotted. Now I can go take care of the WP3. Find the gap. Oh, and if you're wondering what happened to 70's roof, well, piece broke off and the glue was drying. This is WP3, by the way.
direct delivery.
This is the good part of it.
It's all out of the way, so there.
Is the remote off?
I don't know.
Want me to go check?
Sure. Well, there we go. Thank you for watching today's video. Kind of a quick one, maybe. A little bit of drama. A lot of bright lights in my face, but I guess that just means you can see me better. So, thanks for watching. If you did enjoy it, like, share, subscribe, and join us over on Patreon if you want to get early access to videos and some exclusive content. Catch you in the next one.
Okay.